On a previous video I showed you in my little shop of horrors what the Mansfield toilet valve looks like. Here we are actually in the field, and here's what happens. The gasket down here, that red thing down there, just pops out of place. This plunger mechanism here just eventually fails, as do all things. This is actually not a very difficult fix. This overflow line here comes out, this little cap screws off, the plunger just slides out from there and will replace the valve. So this gasket right here is going to come out, and we're just going to replace it with one that we get at the big box store that looks just like that. The difficult thing to see in this field installation is that there's a little groove right down in the bottom here that gasket will just slip into. Our gasket's in, so then we'll just put everything back together as we did before. Plunger goes on. And our little cap goes on the top. That hose goes on there. And we're done. Not even any tools.